Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Aquarius. So, let's start with these cards. And I have a monthly reading for y'all in my other channel, guys, and I have posted the link in the description. So, if you are interested, you can watch the July monthly reading in that other channel, Aquarius. So we have Queen of Water, King of Fire, and King of Air. So Aquarius, in your circumstances, guys, in your situation, you are someone who is a very caring and a kind person, and you are really skilled and talented and confident about whatever you do. And the way you handle your situation, the way you handle yourself, or whatever the circumstances are in your work or in your relationship, is simply inspiring. So people around you, they consider you as an ideal person who they can follow, who is like an example for them. So they simply adore you and they see you as a good leader, a good person to learn from. So you have a lot of talents and you have a lot to teach others, and the way you handle any situation. And you are open to new ideas and new possibilities in your work, cheerful, confident, and you are ready to choose new path for yourself, trying to work your way towards success, and you are really confident, guys. And in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have a clear head, clear way of handling your situation, clear thought, and thinking with your with your mind and intellect, not going for not a very gullible person. So you know what is the right thing and what is the right thing to do. And even in this relationship, guys, maybe you love this person, you have trust on them, but whatever it is, you have your way of handling yourself, handling any particular situation, and you want truth, and you are a very honest person. So whatever comes in your mind, whatever is the truth, you speak that, and you are not afraid to speak that even to this person you love. So you are a very honest person, and maybe that may be the reason some people may not like you, because you are someone speaking honestly. That may hurt them, hurt their ego, or hurt their expectations. So they may not like the way you are expressing truth for some of you guys. And you are a person of clarity, Aquarius. That again may be a reason for this person to be a little they just want to distance themselves from you a little. Maybe they do not want to freely tell you anything, because you are someone outright honest and you are not afraid of anything, but they have certain inhibitions about revealing about their past or whatever they have. Maybe they may feel that they will not match up to your way of living, your ideals and truth. And maybe you are trying to build a strong relationship based on the experiences you had in your life. You want your present relationship to be strong, and that is the reason you are a very truthful person, guys, basically. So, for you, we picked one card for your relationship. It's 10 of Earth. So, looks like things are going well in your relationship, guys. You are going to feel really happy for the way things are going. Maybe for some of you, it may move towards marriage or engagement, Aquarius. So, for your career, we picked one card, guys. It's 7 of Water. So, you have a lot of dreams, lot of goals in your career situation, and you are looking for the right opportunities to move, maybe. And you have, maybe for some of you, you need to be more flexible in your work situation. If you are really flexible, ready to take up any lucrative opportunity that is coming your way, you are going to taste success very soon, guys. Instead of just holding on rigidly to certain ideas and waiting for certain opportunities to open for you, instead of that, you can grab the first opportunity with good results. So you can go for that. You can try something new and give up your expectations to a particular limit that is going to help you in your career situation, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all, for those who chose this first card. It is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys. Heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way, and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open, so that you live more fully, more lovingly, and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So, whatever has happened has happened. So, there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So, goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says, beyond the threshold of fear. So in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self-imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear, and you no longer want to be the victim. You want to move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship you have some fears. That is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that, and you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying, and you are going to feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have, and fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.